Want to make real money online in 2025 starting today? Let's jump right into it. First up, freelancing with AI. If you have a skill or even just a bit of creativity, you can start offering services using tools like ChatGPT or Canva. Head over to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can offer services such as blog writing, AI image generation, video scripts, or voiceovers. The beauty of using ChatGPT is that you can deliver quality work in just minutes. A quick tip: check out what the top sellers are doing. Look at their pricing and service offerings for inspiration. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a powerful way to earn money by promoting someone else's product. You can sign up for free on platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, or Impact. Create engaging content on YouTube Shorts or TikTok to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. A quick tip here: use Bitly to shorten your links. It makes them look cleaner and more appealing. Now, if you're not comfortable showing your face on camera, YouTube automation is a fantastic option. You can start a channel focused on niches like motivation, finance, or tech. Use AI-generated voices and royalty-free stock footage to create your videos. Monetize your channel through ads, affiliate links, and even your own products. For editing, tools like Pictory.ai or InVideo can make the process smooth and efficient. Let's move on to selling digital products. This is a great way to create something once and sell it repeatedly. Consider making a simple ebook or a Notion template. You can sell these on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. Promote your products through TikTok, Reddit, or YouTube to reach a wider audience. A helpful tip: use Canva to design your products quickly and easily. Another method is Dropservicing. This involves selling services that you don't actually perform yourself. For instance, find a service on Fiverr that costs around $10 and then resell it on your own site or to local businesses for $50 or more. You can use ChatGPT to help you craft outreach emails to potential clients. A smart tip: use Google Maps to locate businesses with outdated websites or poor reviews. They might be looking for the services you can offer. Finally, here are some essential tips to keep in mind. Pick one method that resonates with you and master it. Consistency is key, so commit to working on it for at least 30 days. As you start earning, reinvest some of your profits back into your business to help it grow. If you're ready to take action today, let's do this.